Ever wondered what truly drives someone to pursue a specific career path? What makes a company stand out from the crowd, so much so that someone actively wants to be a part of it? Today, we're diving deep into that very question, focusing on a company that's been making waves, Newton. Specifically, we're exploring why someone would want to work for them. Think about your own career aspirations for a moment. What are you looking for? Is it a fat paycheck? Prestige? Or something more, something deeper? For many, it's about making a real impact, contributing to something meaningful, and working alongside people who inspire and challenge them. And that's precisely what draws so many to Newton. Newton isn't just another company. They're a force to be reckoned with in, mention Newton's industry/area of focus. They're known for, mention key qualities like innovation, cutting-edge technology, positive work culture, etc. But what does that actually mean for someone considering a career there? Let's break it down. First and foremost, Newton offers the opportunity to work on projects that truly matter. They're not just churning out widgets, they're displaying the impact of Newton's work, e.g., developing life-saving technologies, revolutionizing an industry, creating sustainable solutions, etc. Imagine going to work every day knowing that what you do has a tangible positive effect on the world. That's the kind of fulfillment Newton employees often experience. It's not just a job, it's a contribution. Beyond the impact, Newton cultivates a culture of innovation. They encourage creativity, they embrace new ideas, and they empower their employees to take risks and push boundaries. This isn't a place where you'll be stuck in a rut, doing the same thing day in and day out. Instead, you'll be constantly learning, growing, and evolving alongside some of the brightest minds in the field. They foster an environment where you are encouraged to experiment, to fail fast, and to learn from your mistakes. This commitment to continuous improvement is not only beneficial for the company but also incredibly rewarding for the individual employee. And speaking of bright minds, let's talk about the people at Newton. A company is only as good as its employees, and Newton understands this. They've assembled a team of incredibly talented, passionate, and dedicated individuals. Working alongside such people is an inspiration in itself. You'll be surrounded by experts who are willing to share their knowledge, mentor you, and support your growth. This collaborative environment fosters a sense of camaraderie and belonging, making you feel like a valued member of a team working towards a common goal. But it's not all about work. Newton also understands the importance of work-life balance. They recognize that their employees are people with lives outside of the office, and they strive to create a supportive environment that allows them to thrive both professionally and personally. This might include flexible work arrangements, generous vacation time, or other perks that demonstrate a genuine commitment to employee well-being. It's about recognizing that happy employees are productive employees. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but what about the actual work itself? Well, that depends on the specific role you're interested in. However, across the board, Newton offers challenging and stimulating work that will keep you engaged and motivated. Whether you're a software engineer, a marketing specialist, or a finance guru, you will be given the opportunity to contribute your skills and expertise to projects that are at the forefront of, mention Newton's industry/area of focus. You won't be just a cog in a machine, you will be an integral part of the engine driving innovation and progress. Another key factor that attracts people to Newton is their commitment to professional development. They invest in their employees' growth by providing opportunities for training, mentorship, and continuing education. They want to see you succeed, and they'll give you the resources and support you need to reach your full potential. This could include sponsoring conferences, providing access to online courses, or creating internal training programs. It's a clear indication that Newton values its employees and is invested in their long-term career success. Beyond the tangible benefits, there's also something more intangible that draws people to Newton, their values. Newton has a strong set of core values that guide their decisions and shape their culture. These values might include things like integrity, respect, innovation, and customer focus. When a company operates with a strong moral compass, it creates a sense of trust and pride among its employees. You can be confident that you're working for a company that is doing things the right way and that your contributions are aligned with a greater purpose. So, why do people want to work for Newton? It's a combination of all these factors. It's the opportunity to make a real impact, the chance to work on challenging projects, the collaborative and supportive work environment, the commitment to professional development, and the strong set of core values. It's about being part of something bigger than yourself, something that is making a difference in the world. It's about finding meaning and purpose in your work. Of course, every individual's motivations are different. What resonates with one person might not resonate with another. But if you're looking for a company that offers a combination of challenging work, a positive culture, and a commitment to making a difference, then Newton is definitely worth considering. Do your research, explore their open positions, and see if it's the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.